So, welcome to the session Musings with Software Engineers. My name is Amit. For all those who are new to this channel, mostly I talk about the software industry and all my videos are related to software. So, I started this live because I was getting a lot of questions on my channel. And I thought the best way to answer is when the person asks me a live question to answer that question. If you are interested, then you subscribe to this channel. I'll put a note somewhere. Okay, Abhishek, due to Corona, hiring process has become slow. Hiring process has become slow, but all IT companies have started hiring because the IT pipeline is high. The top 4 to 5 companies are in profit, more profit than they were in 2013. Can you understand that? In 2013, there was no Corona pandemic. Because of the pandemic, what has happened is lot of companies, lot of businesses are thinking, how can we make our business pandemic proof? How can we run our business even from home? How can we run our factory automated from home? So IT companies are having so many orders that they cannot fulfill all the orders. You read the reports. Cognizant has already started hiring. Infosys has started hiring. TCS has already said that it is going to hire 40,000 people. Okay, Infosys is hiring in India and abroad. In India, it is hiring 20 to 30,000 people. Abroad, it is hiring 12 to 13,000 people. So hiring is not out. You don't know about it, but hiring is going on. Get in touch with people, get in touch with friends in Infosys, improve your LinkedIn profile so that people find you. Make sure that you go on LinkedIn and make sure your profile is good. Make sure that you start improving your profile in such a way that you are being found on LinkedIn for whatever skills you have, and start connecting with people. Have a conversation, have a Zoom conversation, Skype conversation with people face to face. Just ask them what kind of a job they are doing, how did they get their job, can they help you to put your resume to the HR. So try these things out and something will work out. See, when you start trying things out, focus on the process. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, MS Dhoni says, don't worry about the results, focus on the process. So if you focus on the process of what you need to get the job, then automatically you will somewhere find the job. The job will come walking to you and you will not even realize. As soon as you start in your mind, just open this possibility. Stop hearing all the news about there are no jobs. There are enough jobs. You just need one job, right? You don't need 10, 20. It's not like iPhone. It's not like you have to buy iPhone for everybody in your family. You just need one job for yourself. Go out and find that one job. There are millions of companies. Don't restrict yourself to a company. Start talking to people on LinkedIn. Find founders of small companies and see if they're okay to give you internship. Help them. Tell them that I'm ready to help you with this knowledge and I'm ready to work for you for free for 6 months if you can give me an experience certificate. Do whatever is required to get a job. I would request you all to share my videos as much as possible, whichever video you like, and we can meet again on next Thursday, same time at 9:05 p.m. Bring your friends on this channel and we can have a lot of chat. Thank you for subscribing. Bye. See you.